This house is very nice. Look at this. It's massive and elegance. Tapusin mo ang video na ito hanggang sa dulo para malaman mo kung how much po itong unit na ito. See you! Hello guys, good afternoon and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Nandito ako ngayon sa Grand Centennial Homes featuring you with this House 4 Blank. Anyway, so videohan natin itong bahay na to at if you are interested with this unit, so message lang po kayo then videohan natin to ngayon. Alright, so this is a okay, check natin sa itaas guys. Actually guys, this house is a single detached, so hindi siya naka-firewall. Then, so each side, mayroon siyang 2 meters pa na setback. But what makes this nice? Because cover pa ito ng mga plants. And then look at this, no? Ang ganda. And then, look at the stairway. Ang ganda, no? Okay, check natin sa itaas. Come on. Okay? Actually, you have the access no doon sa pinaka front door and then dito sa pinaka parking area. This is just the second floor but meron pa siyang another floor sa taas. So this is your living area. It's large, no? Even the window, ang ganda kayo. Okay, so to reveal this house is for rent, no? This is not for sale. this is just for rent for 110,000 pesos per month. So, di ba? Ang ganda. Okay guys, lagyan natin ng ilaw para magkaroon siya ng look at this. It's nice. Right guys, no? Ang ganda ng kanyang pagka-ceiling air. Ang taas, no? Kaya pala ang bahay na ito malamig. Ang ganda ng layout and then the plan, the floor plan. And then dito sa second floor, you have the ayan, no? Kitchen area. And then meron kang hagdanan going pababa. Tingnan mo naman yung mga staircases. Handrail nila ang ganda guys. Even the planks. Look at this. Okay, so dito sa second floor, you have this master's bedroom wherein it has AC. No? It can accommodate a king size bed, which is, then look at the flooring. It's very, very classic. And then this is your walk-in closet area. Wow, it's nice. So, and then you have this toilet and bath. Alright. Okay, nice. Now, let's check the third floor. So, alright, so going up, so you have this very nice, very wide stairway. It's nice. Even the ceiling, guys, ang ganda. Then, lahat po ng area niya, mayroon siyang ventilation, kaya this house looks bright. And then, dito sa itaas, again, you have this family area. I think the lot area is 180 square meters, and since this is a third floor house, so it has floor area of more or less, I think, 280 square meters. Ganda. Wow. It's nice, huh? Yes, may pagkain na ba dyan? Okay, so nanda sa third floor na po tayo. Dito sa third floor, you have this 3 rooms. So this is the one room. Wow, again, no, it's nice. The rooms are big, and then with the built-in cabinet. Okay, so here we go. So this is another room. Okay, it's nice again. Malaki yung mga ventilation niya kayo, then it has AC already. And of course, now let's check the another room. Wow, ang ganda ng pagkagawa. So, guys, oh, look at this. Okay, nababasa niyo ba yan? Alright. I love you too. And of course, you have this is the another room which can accommodate a queen size bed. It's nice again, I think. So it has a wardrobe. All right, but what makes this beautiful, because the flooring, no, dito sa itaas is a plank, hindi siya tiles, kaya ito po hindi siya malamig sa paa. And then if you floor wax mo lang ito, it's massive, ang ganda. It's elegance. Okay. Alright, no, this house is with the lot area of 180 square meters and with a floor area of almost 300 square meters. It has 5 rooms, 1 in the ground floor, then separate pa po ang pinaka main quarters area. Then sa second floor, you have the hallway with a living area and a kitchens area, and of course a master's bedroom with a walk-in closet. And then on the third floor, mayroon kang 3 rooms with common CR, then another hall, family hall. To recap, that this house has 5 rooms, 1 maid's quarter, it has 4 toilet and bath, and a car garage, and the house is detached. And this house is for rent, no? For 110,000 pesos per month. Then the rent is negotiable. Alright, so if you are interested with this unit, we are It is located here in Grand Centennial Homes, one of the project of Antel Group of Companies. Dito lang sa Kawit, Cavite. So, kung may business kayo at gusto nyo mag-move out dito sa isang property, medyo madaming makaka-accommodate. Well, this house is very recommendable because it looks elegant and very relaxing, very wide ang spaces, and also makakapag-isip kayo ng maganda. And if you're interested, so message lang po kayo, then we do site tour. Alright? So thank you so much and see you here in Antel Grand Village and Anyana, and even here in Grand Centennial Homes. Thank you and see you in my next video.